Hello, student. I hope you all are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today I'm going to explain types of function. In class 11th, we have discussed some special function like identity function, constant function, polynomial function, rational function, modulus function, signum function, etc. Along with their graphs, we also discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two functions. Now we extended our study about function by studying the different types of function, right? The types of function in the class 12th we are going to discuss. Function are basically of four types. Number first, 1 which is also called injective. Number second, many one. Number third, onto, which is also called surjective. And number fourth, 1 and onto, which is also called bijective. Let us see one by one. At first, we'll start from 1 function. 1 1 1, right? A function f from x to y, a function f f from x to y is said to be 1 if different element of x have different image in y. If different different element of x have different image in y. Different images in y, right? I'm repeating again, a function f from x to y is said to be 1 if different element of x have different image in y. That is, you can write, that is, if element in x are x1 which is not equal to x2 implies their images fx1 will not equal to fx2, right? Or you can write, if element in x are same implies their corresponding image will also same. Let us see by help of this diagram. This one, x, y. Element of x are 1, 2, 3, 4. Element in y are a, b, c, d. Right? These 1, 2, 3, 4 represent x1, x2, x3, so on. And element of y, the element in y represented as fx1, fx2, fx3, fx4, so on. Means element in y are the may be the image of element in x. Let us suppose one image is a, denoted by f1 equal to a. Two images is b denoted by f2 equal to b. And image of 3 is, let us suppose c, f3 equal to c, and image of 4 f4 equal to d. This is called a 1-1 types of relation because each element in X having a unique image in Y. Means if the element are different, image are different. If the element are different, 1 A, 2 B, 3 C, 4 D. Means different element having the different image. Means x1 not equal to x2, then fx1 not equal to fx2. If let us suppose element will be same, if 1 and 2 both are same, then the image will also be 1, or image will also be A and B. Means different image element having different image and same element having same image, right? Okay, we can write also the definition like that. A function f x to y is called 1-1, is called 1-1 or injective if each element in X having unique image. If each element in X having unique image in Y, right? I hope you understand this. Now come to the next point. Many one type relation. Many one, right? Okay, a function which is not a function f x to y or fx equal to y is called many one, is called many one if it is not 1-1, right? Let us see by the help of this diagram. X and y are two set x having the element 1 2 3 4 and set y having the element 9 11 15. The image of 1, let us suppose, is 9, that is the pre-image of 9 is 1. Image of 2 is 9, that is pre-image of 9 is also 2. Image of 3 is 11 and image of 4 is also 11. Means many to 1 means many element, means more than one element in X having one image in Y. So such type of function is called many one types function. Now let us see next onto. It's called onto. Right? Onto is also known as surjective function. Surjective function. Okay, a function f from x to y set to be onto if each element in y is the image of at least one element in x. Hence, range of function f equal to whole codomain in y, right? Okay, let us see the definition. A function a function f from x to y is said to be onto is said to be onto said to be onto if each element in y if each element in y each element in y in y is the image of is is the image of at least one element in x, at least one element in x. Okay, hence we can say hence the range of f equal to y, hence the range of f equal to y, right? Let us see by the help of the diagram. Okay, x and y, the function from x to y. Let us suppose the element of x are a, b, c, d, right? Element of y are p, q, r, s, right? We have to check that whether this function is onto or not. By the definition, it is given that if each element of y are the image of x for at least one element of x, means each element of y may be the image of one element of x, may be the image of two element of x, may be the image of three element of x, may be the image of four element of x, that is may be the image of all element of x. Okay, if I am writing like that, a image of a is p, image of b is q, image of c is r, right? And image of c is also s. Since each element in y are the image of at least one element of x, so this is a this is a onto function because whole codomain is the range. Since, or you can write, you can say a function from fx to y is called onto or surjective if whole codomain whole codomain codomain equal to range. Since codomain is PQRS, all are in the range, right? C is the pre-image of X and C is also pre-image of R and B is the pre-image of Q and A is the pre-image of P. That is the image of A equal to P, image of B equal to Q, image of C equal to R, image of C equal to S also. Image of D is left, right? So this is called codomain, but it is not a one-one type function because one element have more than one image because image of C is R and image of S is C is also S, means C having the two image, right? So it is not a one-one, but it is onto type function which is also called surjective, right? Okay, now come to the next point. Next point is one-one and onto both, one-one and onto both. Means a function which is a function f x to y is called both 1 and onto. If both 1 and onto or is okay, is called bijective. Sorry, is called bijective bijective if it is both if it is both 1 and onto. Right, I'm repeating here. 1 onto. A function f x to y is called bijective, bijective, bijective if it is both 1 and onto. Right, let us see by the help of this diagram. X, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. This is 1 and onto both because one element have a unique image. Image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. And whole codomain in Y is in the range. No any element left in the Y which are not in making the image. So therefore this type of function is called 1 and onto. It means it is called bijective type function. I hope, my dear student, you will understand this, and thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.